going on, guys? It's Nick. We're going to go ahead and talk about this $20,000 primary from the Stuff Club. It turned out to be a scam. I was seeing, some of the, ads from the Stuff Club around July. We probably all were, receiving the same type of sponsorship ads on Facebook. And it's really, piqued my interest. Like $20,000 primary. That's something I can offer to my clients, along with, the My Jewelers, and the other $5,000 primary. And I'm looking at it. I'm talking to the guy on Facebook. One of the red flags for me should have been the way he was presenting himself. Very unprofessional. He said that they reported to TransUnion and Experian. More than likely, I should ask for proof that you are reporting to these credit bureaus. Very unprofessional in the conversation. Said they've been around for 2 years. Said they were based out of Hollywood, California. And I did my due diligence. Went to the Secretary of State website in Florida, to get the information on the guy who actually owns the Stuff Club. And I'm thinking, hey, this is legit. I kind of overlooked, the way he was talking, very unprofessional. But I saw that $20,000 primary. I'm like, man, that's a game changer. But now that the month's going by, they said they're gonna take 45 days for that primary to post. It's April, at the end of April, so it's been 4 months. No primary whatsoever. Not even posted, haven't even attempted to contact a lot of people, including myself, to even give us an update. Let's go through this site. $100, $99. You could save it. You can go get a My Jewelers. It's really not worth it because these guys do not report. Like right here, this is a lie. This review, let's go ahead and click on it and see what the real review is. From actualtrustreview.net. 5.7 out of 10. Scam. Company is a complete scam. I'm telling you. You can go on Facebook and look up. It's one of those scams that preys on people having bad credit. This is something to really be on the lookout for. Is guys who aren't professional, don't show any proof, any records, any indication, anything. No proof of posting, nothing from the credit bureaus, nothing. The people who aren't transparent, He saw how easy it was to get caught up on a $20,000 primary. It wasn't even, worth it, because I'm out $100. Now I gotta file a complaint, and now more than likely, I gotta figure out a way to possibly, warn others and my clients as well, not to fall, prey to companies like this. Because I do feel that in the future there's going to be a problem. Is companies saying, oh, we're going to offer a primary, this, that, and the other. It's going to be backdated, or, whatever foolishness that they, could come up with. I wouldn't join anything like that unless they show proof of posting. That, and you talk to the CEO, or he shows his face to show and give some type of, reassurance of transparency. But, this is something that I wish I can go back and, slap myself and say, hey, look, these people are not legit. They haven't showed anything. They just offer something that sounded good at a quick glance. But at the end of the day, they just ran off with $100. For not only myself, but several other people. You know, it's really not worth it. Beware of scams like this, because more than likely you're going to see scams like this on the rise as well. Alright guys, this is Nick. I just wanted to really put you up on, different scams. Oh, let's go ahead and look at the credit app before I go ahead and shut this down. The credit app is just copied and pasted. You fill out this BS and then you click on the terms and conditions.